A federal judge has temporarily blocked portions of a Florida law saying that 3 transgender children can continue receiving gender-affirming treatments. Florida is one of 19 states that has recently restricted treatment, banning the use of puberty blockers and hormone therapy. Joining us this morning is Cindy Nobles, president of PFLAG in Jacksonville. Good morning. Thank you for being here.
Good morning.
I appreciate it. So let's dig into the judge's decision, if we could, for a minute here. In his ruling, he said he found no rational basis for the ban on gender-affirming treatments for children and teens. Your reaction to his decision?
I'm happy with it. I mean, he saw through the fear-mongering, and he's standing up for the rights of these children to get the health care that they need.
Would you provide some perspective for our viewers and for us on how this law has impacted members of the LGBTQ plus community?
Well, it has driven fear up exponentially. You have people that have in the last couple of weeks gotten letters from their healthcare providers saying we can no longer provide you healthcare that they were getting and they've been getting for a long time, and now their bodies are going through a major change that they didn't ask for and didn't want. We have families we have crowdfunding going on to help families get out of the state. I mean, it's unbelievable how far backward we've gone in such a short amount of time.
So the governor's press secretary responded to the judge's decision later yesterday, writing, "We will continue fighting against the rogue elements in the medical establishment that push ideology over evidence." Your reaction?
That's what his office is doing. Doctors are out here taking care of patients in a specialized manner, and the governor's office has decided that his judgment should be held above the doctors. It's insanity. The only ideology that is anywhere in this debate is coming from the governor's office.
He also, his office also said that the law will be followed for all except these 3 children who brought this lawsuit, arguing against this law.
I know it takes it to an extreme, but if we're going to do this, let's do it. Let's talk about prescriptions for Viagra and having that have to go through a panel of other people who don't know your personal situation. Let's talk about hormone therapy for menopausal women. If we're going to do this thing, let's do it, but let's not discriminate against one group.
I want to also point out as we close here, Judge Hinckley wrote in his decision, gender identity is real, the record makes this clear, and that widely accepted standards of care supported by major health organizations and physicians and the great weight of medical authority supports affirming health care.
Yeah, the AMA agrees that these are valid treatments. The American Academy of Pediatrics agrees that these are valid treatments, but the governor, who apparently got a medical degree that no one knows about, has decided they are not valid. His judgment is all-powerful at the moment, and we have families that are suffering because of it.
How do you move forward now?
Well, for starters, with these lawsuits. I mean, I'm thrilled for the 3 children that are actually able to continue with their health care, but we have thousands of other families in this state that need to be allowed to continue their health care as well. And it's my understanding that a broader hearing is going to be coming later on this year, and hopefully that will reverse some of the bad law that's been passed down. But in the meantime, we have people suffering.
Cindy Nobles, thank you from PFLAG. Appreciate your perspective.
Thank you.